These are the lights I've been working on. Don't they look great? Now, why you give me fingers? This one's going up tomorrow. The other one's going to go up next week. Not my fault you're wrong. These look amazing. Wait a second. And we can get even fancier. Look at that. That's cool. But we're not going to have this on for this video. Have you ever seen Blues Brothers? What? You've never seen Blues Brothers?
No.
Really? So I'm looking for a new helper. If anyone wants to come, do this job and enjoy amazing drinks and bands. So okay, you won't get this reference. You might. So in Blues Brothers, John Candy asks for an orange whip. If I remember, I'll put the scene here.
Who wants an orange whip? Orange whip? Orange whip? 3 orange whips.
John Candy asks for an orange whip for him and the 2 cops watching the Blues Brothers perform. So I did a little digging, and apparently the orange whip is just an alcoholic orange Julius. So we're going to make an orange Julius, and then we're going to make an orange whip. So first, we're going to do the orange whip, or Julius. We're going to do the orange Julius first. So for that, we need 3 ounces of our OJ. We're going to need 3 ounces of orange juice. So there's 2.5, and then 3. We're going to need 6 ounces of our milk. 2, 4, 6. That doesn't go there. That goes there. This one goes here. We're going to need 2 bar spoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. I'm going to wipe this off because we're going to need 1 ounce of sugar, and that's roughly 3 bar spoons. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to need to crack some ice in here. Runaway AWOL ice cube. And crack some ice. And now we blend. So apparently my blender's not charged. So we're just gonna take all this and dump it in a real blender. Like I say, this smells amazing. Lid on, blend. Huh?
Blending it too much.
No such thing as blend too much. I'm gonna pour this in here. An orange Julius. That's really good. I like that. You wanna try?
You said it should be oranger.
You're oranger.
You said it oranger. It's an orange milkshake.
It is like an orange milkshake. That's pretty accurate. Probably needs blended up a little more, but now we're gonna make an orange whip. Now we're gonna make it alcoholic, so better. We need 4 ounces of OJ. And this one gets built in a shaker, just does. 4 ounces of OJ. We need a 1/2 ounce of triple sec. We're gonna go for 1 ounce of a light rum. Actually, we'll go 1.5 ounces. 1 ounce vodka. I'm going with our Wheatley Naturally, winner of the taste test ranking, and delicious vodka. Absolutely. And then we're gonna need to crush ice. I'm gonna put about 6 cubes in there. We're just gonna beat them like they owe us money. You wanna hold it for me?
Okay.
I mean, it's undeniably louder. Yeah, that's good. Now we need 2 ounces of our heavy cream. The bane of my existence. Little paper cartons. Got it, boy. So 2 ounces of our heavy cream right up top. And I'm going to need another fizz glass. Now we shake. Now we're just going to free pour it in. Orange Whip. Oh, that's so good. Oh, man. The rum is there. The vodka's gone. The triple sec, you kind of get the little bit of the bitterness from the triple sec, but this tastes just like the orange julep, Julius, whatever, but with alcohol. This is fantastic. No wonder John Candy ordered 3 of these. Probably all for him. Oh, man, you want to try it?
It really does taste just like the first one.
I told you.
It's delicious.
The whole time she's like, it's not the same ingredients. It's not the same thing. It can't be the same thing. It's not the same ingredients.
It's different ingredients. It tastes the same.
It does taste the same.
I like it.
So thank you, John Candy. I appreciate it. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Leave it and share it out on your social media. If you have any suggestions of stuff you want to see, just please leave. It's great for the algorithm. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you all in the next one.